So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the tutorial how to turn off your cell phone that's made by Xiaomi Corporation. For the example, if you are confused about why pressing the power button does not bring up the menu to turn off the cell phone, like this. Okay, don't worry, I will share the tutorial the easiest way to turn off the cell phone that's made by Xiaomi. In the first step, you can go to the setting menu, and then you can scroll until you find additional setting, tap on it, and then you can select on gesture shortcut. And you can see the power up menu, tap on it, and you can set it into the press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and then go back. And in this option, you can also disable the launch digital assistant if you want to disable this option. So you can using the power button to turn off your cell phone right now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.